Hi, today we will learn about a framework called Ansoff Model. This is Mr. CEO of a company called Grow Big that makes personal care products for babies. His company is in a stagnation. He has asked McKinsey consultant to recommend some ideas on growth. But the poor intern has no idea how to approach it. Lucky for her, her partner tells her to use Ansoff Model. The Ansoff model was designed by Igor Ansoff in 1957. The model is as relevant today as it was 50 years ago. It is a 2x2 matrix showing a combination of existing and new products and markets. An organization can achieve growth in many ways, but Ansoff model focuses on one thing that matters most, that is top line or revenue. Each quadrant represents a certain type of growth strategy a firm can implement depending on its current status and its tolerance for risk. The first strategy is to sell existing products in the existing market. This is the least risky of all the strategies. It can be achieved by selling more frequently and selling more volume to the existing customers. This is exactly how Chobani yogurt was able to increase the market penetration and become a leader in the yogurt industry, replacing Yoplait. Using their existing resources, such as marketing team and existing distribution channel, Chobani was able to run an extensive promotion that gave 10 yogurts for $10 or 10 for 10 and was able to move more volume and sell more often to its existing customers. The second strategy is new products in existing markets or product development. It can be achieved by improving existing products, line or brand extension, total client solution, or new to the world ideas. Keeping abreast and ahead of customers' need is one of the key ways to expand a business. This strategy is especially useful for the companies that excel in their respective markets and already have a robust R&D capabilities to back its brand. Hardly any other company executes this strategy as good as Apple, that seems to have a cult-like following from its customer for every product that it releases. The third strategy is existing products in new markets or new market development. Geographic expansion is one of the typical ways it can be achieved. It can also be achieved by adding new channels of distribution, such as e-commerce or subscription model, or also tapping into distant demographic. For example, when facing fierce competition in the US, JetBlue was able to add new route to Caribbean and Mexico to beat the competition in the domestic market and become one of the largest carriers in the US. The fourth and the last strategy, which is also the riskiest of all, is new products in new markets, pretty much testing new waters or diversification. It can be achieved by vertical integration, horizontal diversification, or unrelated diversification. Such is the case of Netflix when it decided to diversify and create its own content in-house. It immediately saw its subscription base go up and reduce its dependency on studio content tremendously, meaning more money in pocket. Much like any other good framework, Ansoff has its own limitations. It makes things very simplistic, and thus it's not designed to give you a solution, but rather to foster a thought process. Now that the intern understands Ansoff model, she's in a much better position to provide a knowledgeable recommendation. Based on the current situation, she recommends a CEO that they venture into product development arena. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.